Gucci Lit fam, how are you guys today? I'm playing Subway Surfers. If you haven't, go watch my new videos about The Sims. I know you can't hear me really, but just go check them out. They're Gucci Lit, and I think you'll love them. So yeah, let's get right on into the video. Yeah. So I'm just gonna play Subway Surfers and try to beat my record. It's gonna be hard. I know it is, but it's like 3 million my record, I think. So yeah. So let's slow. It takes forever. But yeah. So let me turn this down so you can hear me. But just for the little bit of music, I put a little bit of the sound in there for you guys. So yeah. Okay. So I had Trixie right here, but stupid links. I had Trixie, but okay. So I just bought Trixie. I've had Dark Outfit and Jake, Dark Outfit Jake and Jake. But let's go with Trixie. Let's see what my reward is. Collect reward for that. Yes, I got 3 of these. Like little things that help me like get through with the thingy. Now collect reward. I have 3 more, so I have 6 altogether now. Let's go. Okay. So I'm just gonna ride. I love playing this Trixie. I don't know what it is, but I've read that Trixie jumps higher. But she's the shortest out of all of the characters you can get. I don't like getting those things. They don't do nothing, basically. So, pretty much, I'm just gonna ride until I'm out of keys. So. Oh, darn. That's why I got keys. I like when they do flips and they jump. It's cool. These graphics look horrible, guys. I'm sorry. Like it's running slow. Penguin, yay. I have 15 of 25 of these little mugs. The first challenge you get is you have to collect 100, and I got 100. And then I give you another challenge, easier, but it's way too easy for me. So kind of think of it as like poop, you know. Credible. But yes, so I basically, I'm gonna shut up for a little while I play, and goodbye. Okay. end of my life for this round. I got 2 million. So yeah. Trixie, I like the pose, and so thank you for watching. Goodbye.